The 2015 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, front air conditioning, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, power windows, fog lights, bucket seats, leather seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.